Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today I wanted to talk to you about how to make your tires last longer. Now I know this is going to seem stupid and trivial, but the fact is I've got the proof, I've got the numbers to bring you guys to show you how doing one simple thing will make your tires last longer. So let's check out the numbers on our little Honda Fit here. Alright guys, so this is a little Honda Fit. Now we bought these Doral SDL Sport tires and they are very cheap. I paid I think $45 a piece, and then Mountain Balance. But I'll explain exactly how we get tires that cheap and how we get them installed cheap. But the important part today is how to make them last. And what I want to show you is, we stick the penny in there. There's still a considerable bit inside there. I mean, honestly. When you look at that, there's still quite a bit of tread there. Now, let's go up to the front. And there's still a considerable bit of tread there. I mean, they're coming to the end of their life. Let's be real. But when you go around and check them, I'm going to do a third one just so nobody can say I didn't. That one's got even more. I mean, look at that. Honestly, that's pretty good. They still have quite a bit of life left in them. Now, we do have new ones in there. I don't know if you can see them. New tires in there, ready to be put on. So, what I want to talk to you about, though, is how to keep them good longer. And the way you do that is by rotating your tires. Alright, and it sounds trivial, it sounds stupid, but people are not doing it, and they're not doing it often enough. So this is a 45,000 mile tire. If you take this tire and rotate it, anything under 50,000 should be rotated every 5,000 miles. Anything over 50,000 mile tire should be rotated at least every 7,000. 5,000 is better, but you can go 7. Now, when you get tires at Walmart, you get free rotation for life. Now, a lot of people just don't want to go in and deal with getting their tires rotated. But here's the trick. Go down first thing on a Saturday or Sunday morning, drop your car off, say I want my tires rotated. Or go do your shopping for the week. Come back, get your car, go home. It's not that big a deal. But let me show you the numbers because, as I said, and you can look it up yourself, a Doral SDL Sport, all right? These things are a 45,000 mile tire. They're super cheap. You saw I still have life left in them. I could easily get another 5,000 miles out of these. But let me do this. So let's look right here. This is when they were installed. Let's see if I can get that mileage a little closer. All right, can you guys see that? 132,452. Let's put it here. Bouncing around too much. 132,452. That was the mileage when installed, okay? Now, let's go to the car. Because the odometer don't lie. 184,731. So, based on that, that means that we already have 52,000 miles on these tires. And you saw that there's still room to put another 3,000 to 5,000 on there. So 55,000 miles, all right, out of a 45,000 mile cheap tire. Now, when I say these are cheap tires, I mean it, guys. Look closely. All right, there is cracking already on the sidewalls right there. I can feel an imperfection, but if you get real close, the sidewalls are cracking. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but it's got like the dry rot crack. But mind you, we're dashers. We do gig work. So these tires are not that old, but there is, like right there's a big old crack. Look at the dry rot crack, guys. I'm trying to get it close enough so you can see it. I don't know if you can see that, but there's dry rot crack there. It's very vague, but it's there. And what I'm trying to show you guys is that it hasn't even been that long. So if we look at this, I'm looking for a date. There's a service date, 6/1 of 2022. So just about a year and a half ago. A year and a half these tires have been on the car. These are cheap tires, guys, but we're getting 55,000 miles out of them. It's simply going in every 5,000 to 7,000 miles and have them rotated religiously. Now, at our Walmart, they're a bunch of goofballs. They say, do you want them front to back or side to side? When clearly it should be, you know, the back ones come to the front and then they crisscross them. But as long as you do it every other one, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. The tires just need moved around the car, because if not, almost always there's one tire that's slightly out, or there might be a component in your front end failing. But if you're rotating your tires all the time, they'll share the load of that issue and make your tires last longer. I can't believe how many people buy tires and they never get them rotated. You're just literally eating your tires off. Now, I'm making this video because this hits close to home for me. Go ask my kids if they rotate their tires. Go ask my neighbors if they rotate their tires. Go ask anyone you know how often they go in to rotate their tires. I think you'll be greatly surprised at how many people say they don't, or it's been a while, or I don't know. These are all answers that should not happen. If they said, let me check my mileage, but I do it every 5,000 to 7,000 pretty religiously, those are the people that are paying less for tires. If I could tell you that within one, let's say a year and a half on this car, I could replace tires once, or I could replace 2 of my tires halfway through and then 2 more halfway through. So essentially in a year and a half, I'd be going through 2 sets of tires. Which would make more sense for you? Honestly, taking your tires in to get them rotated is an inconvenience, yes. But the cost and the money savings is very, very large. Now, I will be doing another video soon explaining how we get tires so cheap and how we get them installed cheap, and then how we get free tire rotation throughout and free care. So be on the lookout for that video. But all I can say to you guys is rotate your tires. I promise you your wallet or purse will appreciate it. Your car will appreciate it. And better off, you can take that money and do other things with it. So if you haven't already, and I don't know why you wouldn't have, guys, go down, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see all of our upcoming videos. Make sure you give us a like, hit us up in the comments. Let us know, are you always on point to changing and rotating your tires? Or are you the kind of person that says, ooh, I forgot, or ooh, I don't have time for that, or ooh, I don't want to deal with that, or maybe you were never taught to rotate your tires. And with that said, I'll see you in the next one.